Ever see a Christmas tree that can swim? Or dolphins dance to Jingle Bells? In today's video, we'll share how you can find the merriest of marine animals and festive floating forests that you've gotta see to believe. Hey fellow holiday adventurers, and welcome back to Mouse Ears TV. I'm your favorite host, Chrissy O, and today I want to share more Florida holiday magic with y'all. Millions flock to our sunny shores each winter to see our palm trees wrapped in lights and experience our warm holiday spirit. But if you're looking for a unique and unexpected holiday haven, imagine this. 3 million lights dazzle and dance across the night sky like stars come to play, turning a world of sea creatures into a sparkling Christmas seascape. Got that picture in your head? Now, come along with me on a jolly journey through SeaWorld's Christmas celebration. You're tuned into Mouse Ears TV. Before we talk about all the fun you'll have, if you're considering taking this trip, it pays to plan ahead. Visit the link below to find the dates that fit your calendar because days vary throughout November and December. But there's no extra charge for the holiday magic. It's included with your admission. First up, let's dive into the magical sea of trees, where hundreds of twinkling evergreens float on the water, their lights dancing to the holiday tunes. This kind of magic may seem simple, but its effect is perfect for kids from 1 to 92. It's like watching the ocean put on its own Christmas light parade. And speaking of parades, if you have little ones with you or simply want a moment of true nostalgia, you need to check out the Sesame Street Christmas March through the park. All your favorites like Cookie Monster, the Muppet of the season, right? Elmo and all their friends are decked out in their holiday best. It's a sing-along so catchy you'll be humming Jingle Bells well into the New Year's. When the joyous jingles with our furry friends in the Sesame Street Christmas March are over, you can glide into another kind of magic. Imagine trading those dance moves for some ice grooves. Before the days of amusement parks, simple pleasures like ice skating brought families together as they slip and slide across the ice. SeaWorld Orlando takes the risk of injury out of the picture by showcasing their twirling and talented professional ice skaters under nature's twinkling lights, the stars in their Wonderland on Ice show at Bayside Stadium. It's sure to send you and your crew spinning with delight. Trust me, it's chill in the best way. And for a moment that truly captures the heart of the season, oh, Wondrous Night tells a tale as old as time with a cast of live animals. You won't believe what these trainers can do. It's a performance that's both spectacular and touching, bringing the traditional story of Christmas to life right before your eyes. SeaWorld really rolls out the red carpet for the kiddos during this festive time. There's a sleigh load of family-friendly fun that's just perfect for the little ones, making it the ideal time to introduce them to the wonders of the park, even before they're ready for the big kid thrills. With all the sparkle and song, SeaWorld's Christmas Bash is a whale-sized splash of seasonal charm. But hey, isn't part of the holiday magic also those once-a-year treats we all look forward to? Well, here's the thing. At SeaWorld Orlando's Christmas Market, you can savor holiday treats like warm cocoa or spiced cocktails, each offering a taste of the season in every delightful sip or bite. From sweet pastries to hearty comfort foods, there's a feast of festive flavors to enjoy. Once the sun sets, SeaWorld truly shines. Stay for the fireworks finale, where the sky bursts with more colors than a coral reef. It's the perfect end to a day that's been full to the brim with cheer and wonder. This is what the holidays are all about, right? Those sparkly, heartwarming moments where we all feel like kids again. Eyes wide with wonder, hearts full of laughter. That's the gift. SeaWorld's Christmas celebration gives us a wave of holiday spirit that lifts us all. So what do you say? Ready to make some waves this holiday season? Come on over to SeaWorld's Christmas celebration. It's more than just a splash of magical holiday fun. It's where the season's joy swims right up and greets you. Can't wait to see you there. For now, I'll leave you with a sprinkle of Christmas cheer and a reminder that the best moments come when you just dive in. Be sure to hit that like button if you're ready to dive into SeaWorld's holiday spirit, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical adventures every week. Happy holidays, friends. May your days be merry, bright, and full of sea-inspired delight.